We are talking about relationships, and let's focus on reclaiming you after relationship trauma. I am Sulipan, your personal transformation coach. Being codependent and having lost yourself does not mean that this is a permanent state. It is something that you can overcome. It is only a part of your life where you forgot yourself. Yes, it takes training within yourself to achieve that place where you recognize yourself again. It can be achieved. It is possible. You are not forever doomed. You can change this. During our abusive relationships, we forgot that we have value and have worth. It has a negative impact on our self-image, our confidence, and our self-belief. We forget that there was a time before that where we were confident in ourselves, that we could show up and that we could claim our place on this earth plane, playing our role. And for a period in our life, we have chosen to come and stand in the shadow of another person so that they can catch all the sunlight and so that they can shine brightly. It is now time for you to start developing that old you and grow from there, because through this process that you've just come through, you have learned and gained so much. You are so much stronger and wiser than what you were before. And so you are not building from nothing. You are building from a much higher place already. We fear that we are not good enough and that we can make no decision in life. We fear that we will make the wrong decisions. Who says that I even know what to do that will be best for me? This is the time to start claiming back your life. And you do it by trusting that gut feeling. You have ended up where you are because you have denied that gut feeling. You've ended up in the turmoil because you were resisting that gut feeling and you were reasoning it in a different way. And now you have experienced the pain and the anguish that you've just come through. By owning it, by understanding that you have negated your gut feeling, you are now taking power back and you'll say, I can do that. I have got a trusted friend within me that will warn me when something is wrong. And this time I am going to listen to that friend. And so what if I am tender and there's a lot of pain for me in the beginning and I'm careful? So what? Because with time, I will begin to stand stronger in that gut feeling that is there to guide me. You have got to start small, taking decisions, recognizing who you are, knowing your worth. Journal, and this sounds petty, but journal all the things that you already know that is your worth and your value and who your skills and all that. If you can walk across the street unaided, you write it down. If you can bake a cake, you write it down. Whatever it is that you can do, that you carry value and worth within you, write it down. You will be amazed at how much worth you have. And then lastly, who am I? Get to know yourself again. Know who you are, that emotions that run within you, the excitement, what makes you happy, what is your sense of humor? Who are you get to know yourself again. You have lost contact with the most beautiful, sacred part of you. Reconnect with that. Journal it. Write it down. Who am I? What emotions do I enjoy living by? Spend that time with yourself. Your worth was buried so that another person can shine. This is now time for you to reconnect with you so that you can come out in the beautiful sunlight that is waiting to shine brightly on you so that you can reflect the true you back into society and that you can claim your place, your role that you came to play. I wish you best as you walk forward. I am so excited for you on this journey. Remember to master your beliefs. They are only stories and you will change your future. Be kind and patient to yourself during this process and we will chat soon.